What's the only thing better than a Nashville hot chicken sandwich?
If it's on an everything bagel.
What Eastern North Carolina style slaw?
That bagel's got to be from New York, though.
That's what I'm talking about.
So we all came together and we made the most epic sandwich known to man ever created. Come with us right now as we cook. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We're making some Eastern North Carolina style slaw.
Not to be confused with Western North Carolina sauce.
Yeah, there's a big difference. Just gonna kind of rough chop this slaw. That way it'll help it mix a little bit better.
That's what I'm talking about.
You're making a mess, but it's all right.
So why do we rough chop it?
Just so it's gonna help it mix better, so you don't get all those clumps in there.
No one likes clumpy slaw.
No one likes clumpy anyway. We're gonna add a little bit of sugar to it. I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar to it, and I'm gonna let that sugar dissolve down for about 10 minutes and let it sit up. Will you give that a good rough stir in there, please?
Yes, chef. We're stirring, chef.
All right, so now we're gonna start mixing that slaw. We're definitely using that Duke's mayo. State law, North Carolina. About a half cup. Like I said, just give it a good stir in there.
How'd we do?
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. All right, so we want to make sure that we had enough flour in order to dredge all of our chicken. So we got the smallest bag of flour we have right here. Is it enough? I don't think this is enough. I wish Shane had gotten a bigger bag of flour.
That's the worst sound next to the mic doing that.
Oh, you know?
Thanks.
Jeez, Joey. Who brought camera Karen over here? Okay, so we're gonna take our extra small bag of flour. Let's just get that in there. And we're gonna season this up. I found this seasoning. Do you know who makes this seasoning? Shane, do you make this seasoning? You wanna give it a plug? Give it a plug.
Star Spangled seasoning. It's good on everything, but love it on beef, chicken, pork, all the meats. You got the honors.
Oh, I get the honors here? All right. A lot of seasoning. We need a lot.
Okay. It's good on chicken and the nostril.
Yeah.
I think we need more.
There's no seasoning. You
Listen.
use enough seasoning.
Next thing with the chicken is we need the binder.
Which is ranch.
Because why not?
Thomas, will you do the honors, please?
Oh, I will most certainly do the honors.
Now, this is not normal Tennessee practice.
This is not normal Tennessee
No,
practice.
no, just
This is standard Utah fried chicken practice. If you don't know, look it up. And if you don't believe me, fight us on it. We don't have any gloves, so let's make sure that we can cross-contaminate and spread salmonella all over the place right now. And we're just gonna do it. No gloves. We don't need gloves.
get it all in there.
That is something.
If it's one thing I know how to do, it's handle my meat.
It's true. He does.
We're good there. We're gonna take a little break, and I'm gonna go find a spot to freshen up a bit, as they say.
Okay, now we're going to dredge our chicken. Unlike Greg, I'm going to use tongs.
Oh yeah, get that all covered up in there. Covered up in the sneezing.
You know how I do it. Now we're going to throw this in the oil. It's at 350, ready to go.
I count 1, 2. Today my math is bad.
Buns, they're overused.
They're more.
You gotta switch it up. So, everything bagel, straight from New York.
Is it bagel or bagel?
Bagel.
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 So me saying bagel,
What
does
is
that
it?
make
Bagel.
does that make your blood boil when I say bagel?
Not boiled, but I went
Yeah.
for like friends.
It makes his blood boil because it's wrong.
It's
I stand corrected. It's bagel.
bagel. Do you want to, Ethan? Hey, did you know? Fun fact.
I would love a fun fact.
All right. So, do you know how the everything bagel came to be?
I do not, but I have a feeling you're going to tell us.
I'm gonna tell you. So, in a bagel shop,
Not bagel.
at
Bagel.
the end of the day, the bagel maker actually took all the scrapings from inside the oven and put on a bagel. Thus, you have glorious everything bagel. The more you know. We're just gonna melt the rest of this. We're gonna toast these everything bagels.
Oh, see, that's a nice toast right there.
That's how it should be.
That's a toasted bagel. So in order to make the hot oil for the Nashville Hot Chicken, we're going to spoon out a little bit of the fried chicken oil over top of some seasoning, mix it together, thus creating the hot oil. There's some fumes going on in that. That's some hot oil.
That oil's hot.
That's some hot oil. Thomas, chicken meat, please.
Chicken.
We're going to take our hot oil and we're going to lightly brush this over top of the chicken. It is a delicate dance. We're gonna take our chicken and place it on the bagel.
Now we're gonna start with that Carolina style slaw, baby.
Make it nice and messy.
So we're gonna drizzle this beef dolce hot honey right on. A little hot, a little sweet.
That's also what Joey calls Greg.
How'd you guys know?
We've got our Nashville Hot Chicken everything bagel sandwich ready to go. I think we just need to take a bite.
Let's try it.
Let's do it.
That's it.
Hup, whoa!
Hey, ease up.
And we got Hussey in here too.
Dang it, boys. I heard you had Carolina style slaw. I am all in on it. Cheers.
All right.
Cheers.
Yeah.
That's money.
Dang it, boy. Some good groceries right there.
Make sure to like, subscribe, follow,
All the
everything.
things.
Follow these
All of it.
gentlemen as well. And until next time, let's go.